Hey, 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 welcome back, y'all. I'm about to go into my first gift for Mother's Day. Forget this, y'all. I better eat good. Don't make my stomach no attention. But let's see. I already see what this is. This package came a few days ago. So I'm in the box now. And it says... This is gel polish kit. A gel polish kit. And this here, is that left in me? No. And this package here. Is that supposed to say Tamika? They wrote them letters funny. Okay. Gel nail polish starter kit. You get the gel nail polish ×6, the gel base top coat ×1, 48 the UV LED lamp, and nail manicure tool. Hey. So this is like a little unboxing. It's an unboxing. What's wrong with that? Let me get something like to cut this a little bit. Just a little something. Because what I have done with my nails, I did like a blended tip where I took my nails off and I just kind of left they're my nails, but I left like a little bit of acrylic on there because I usually have an overlay. But you know how sometimes they get a little thin. Some of them, that thumb is still a little thick there, but I did like a blended. I might go ahead and soak them off. I haven't decided if I want to do it the rest of the way because, honey, I'm getting ready to do my nails. Okay. So let me go into here. Did you all see that label? And this, all of this came in an Amazon package. The one box. Amazon. I let this box air out with some days. It sit outside for 2 days before it Ta-da-da-da. Ta-da-da-da. Okay, so here we go. So first off, we have nice little manicuring kit. It has the little spacers for doing pedicure, toe spacers. It has, this feel like it's some good nail files. Some nail files, a buffer. What's this? Mango extract, peach mango. What? The natural complex blend. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I have to look and see what that is. And then look at this. Tools. Some nail clippers. Little nail brush. Shoot. My nails gonna be looking good. Okay. What's this? Okay. So this is a top it off. So this is the top gel. And this is the matte top gel. And this is the base gel. Because this is for gel nails, okay? I usually get gel nails even when I go in and get my nails done, which that's in the past. That's in the past. Gel nail polish lasts longer for me. Okay. So, also, okay, so we got the little application guide. And then this is the instructions for the nail lamp manual for the UV LED nail lamp. Okay. So let me, oh, what's this? There's just all kinds of goodies in here. Okay. Look at here, some nail polish. Ooh, why that was spilled? It messed up. Look at that. Anyway, it ain't too bad, but they didn't screw that one closed good enough for me. So anyway, let's see. These are all nail polish. Of course, they are gel colors. So it came with 6 of those. Make sure they all closed. Got a 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Those are the number of the color. And ta-da-da-da! Here comes the nail lamp. This is the charge. I mean the, what you call this? The plug. I can't think of what kind of plug it is. And yeah, what y'all know about that? And then you put your hand in there. When you get the polish on, you put it in there. And that light dries them so quick. So anyway, when I do my nails, I'm going to do it on camera. But I wanted to do an unboxing. What I wanted, because I don't see myself going to anybody's salons. Nail salon, hair salon, none of that. It's in the past, Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so, and for this, for the nail polish, so I got me enough polish to last for a good while. So those that were in there were more like, what, new colors, I guess? And right here, ooh, so we get a top coat, base coat, and all those. There's a total of 5, 10, 15, 20. Let me see how this looks. Anyway, this is how these look. It's like a gray. There's boys over in this. Let's see what that's gonna look like. Okay. I'm just trying to see how close they look to what the lid shows. See there? Now this is looking like some kind of green. It says 009. Let's see if it look green when I open it up. Yeah, that's a pretty. Look, that's like a bright neon green. Oh, what color do I want to wear for Mother's Day? So I need to do my nails, but this is the kit. So thank you, Pooh. Thank you. Thank you in faith. So I know they're going to watch the video. Yeah. So I'm pretty excited about this. Because your girl need to do her nails. They doing pretty good. So that gel, getting that gel off is something else. So anyway, I want to thank you for watching. This has been an unboxing. I am Naturalee'LaTree. If you have enjoyed this little video unboxing, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, like, share, comment, subscribe, share with a friend, and stay tuned for more videos. So remember, turn that notification bell on, and I will talk to you later.